Hello, guys.
Hello, Mahib.
Hello, Dad.
So, what are you going to unbox today?
What do they say? OnePlus 8 Pro.
OnePlus 8 Pro.
Yes.
Okay, this is the product. Okay.
Yes. And we
OnePlus,
don't need this anymore. Then.
OnePlus 8 Pro. This is the retail box.
Yes.
So we have purchased it today.
Yes.
So we are going to unbox it. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the
Galactic green.
glacial green, the
Glacial
color,
green.
and RAM is 12 GB and ROM, that means internal memory, is 256 GB. Okay, gigabytes. So we are going to open it.
I will open.
Okay, 1 2 3
1,
2
2,
3
3.
Okay, go. So this is the
Device.
unit. This is the device. Okay,
This is
so let's put out this one and we keep this aside. Okay.
yes.
Okay, now we are
Forget
going
it.
to see what is inside this.
What is inside
Okay,
this?
what is inside this? Let us check. So many paperworks. Red
Manual
cable
guide.
club. Red cable club. I don't know what is this. I have no idea. You keep it here. So much paperwork. These
So
are the
much.
stickers you can use.
Oh, don't.
Okay,
I
the
will
OnePlus never settle. So everything. This is
So
also
smooth.
you can use as a sticker. So this is the quick start guide. Very tiny letters actually. I can't read. Very small. And this is the safety information. And what is that? Invitation letter. Invitation letter from OnePlus. Let's see what is inside. It's from Pete.
Pete.
Okay, so hi there. This is your OnePlus, a smartphone made hand in hand with our community. So this is the SIM ejector tool. So you keep this in your hand, and this is the case. This is the case. It's beautifully designed. The soft case. It's written here "Never Settle." It's a very good one.
Where
So this is the USB Type-C cable.
Pepsi.
Okay, and this is the
The
charger.
The-
This is the charger. This is the 30-watt wrap charger,
Wrap
and this
charger.
phone supports fast charging and also wireless charging also.
While starting.
Okay, so just unwrap this plastic, and here is the phone.
Let me touch.
Okay, let you touch.
will.
Let you touch.
Ooh, this is the smoothest thing ever.
Okay, so beautifully designed, and this is the volume rockers. This is the SIM tray. This is the charging point here. This is the noise cancellation, and this is the speaker. So one disadvantage in this phone I have found that there is no headphone jack. You have to use it. You have to buy a Bluetooth headphone. This is
I
the
want to say that.
this point. This switch is the vibrator mode. It's like Apple,
Yes.
and this is the power on/off button.
On off.
Okay, so this is the camera. Look at the camera panel. So there are 4 cameras. 48 megapixel. This 5 megapixel wide angle camera. This is 5 megapixel, and this is 8 megapixel, and this is the color sensor. And the front camera is also of 16 megapixel. So this is the device. So we will start this. So we
Let's
will
turn it on.
insert the SIM. After that we will make another video. So just this is the
OnePlus.
OnePlus for you. Okay.
Powered by Android.
Powered by Android. Then we will do everything. We will sort it out everything. Then after that we will
Yes.
make another video of it.
Yes.
Okay. Now say bye for now.
Bye.
Bye bye guys.
Bye. Hi, Dad.